This is going to be a video tutorial on how to delete your search history in the Google Maps app. I'll be using an Apple iPhone for this, but the steps should be very similar for other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I'm on my phone now, and I have Google Maps opened up. To delete your search history in Google Maps, the first thing you need to do is tap on your icon in the upper right-hand corner. Then you'll go down to where it says Settings and tap on that. Now you'll scroll down to where you see it says Map History and tap on that. And now just scroll down just a little bit and you'll see Search Your Activity. You want to click on the three-dot hamburger menu off to the right-hand side of it. And then you want to tap on Delete Activity By. Then it gives you some options. You can delete your activity from the last hour, the last day, all time. I'm going to select all time. You could also select custom range below that, but I'm going to select all time. And then you just tap on delete. Now it says deletion complete. Your activity you selected is being permanently deleted from your account and no longer tied to you. That's how you delete your search history from the Google Maps app. Thanks for watching.